And in this video, we are going to learn that find the number whose some percent is given. So here in this question, we have to find that number whose 14% is 28. Dear student, which number we have to find? We will assume that number x. So let the required number be x. This is unknown x. Now what I have to do according to question, that 14% of this unknown number is equal to 28. So according to question, 14% of 28 is 14% of x is 28. Okay student. Now you see that what is the meaning of percent? 14 over 100 of x is equal to 28, right? Now you see we have to find the x. So 14x over 100 is equal to 28. Now what is the value of x? X will be equal to 28. You see we will have to find only x. So I will let the x remain alone here on the left hand side and all the other coefficients to the right hand side, and they will transpose. If 100 is the divisor here, it will become multiplier, and 14 is the multiplier, it will become divisor. Okay, so you see 14 and 28 both are divisible. 14 will cut 28, number 2. So 2 multiply 100, that is equal to 200. So in this way we have find our answer, that there is a number which is 200 whose 14% is 28. So you can verify this sum also. Just like you will take the 14% of 200. So 200 over 100. Now you see 14 multiply 2, that is 28, which is there. So we have verified this also. So in this way we have learned that how we can find a number whose percentage value is being given. Now we have to find that number whose 16 and 2 by 3% is 3. So I will consider that number be x. Let the required number be x. So according to question, 16 and 2 by 3% of x is 3. So you see 3 into 16, 48. 48 plus 2, 50. Okay. So 50 over 3% of x is equal to 3, right? Now 50 over 3, and meaning of percentage is 100 in the denominator to be multiplied, of x is equal to 3. Now this is 50x over 300 is equal to 3. Now cancel 0 with 0 and we are left with 5x over 30 by 3. Now you will see this 5 will cancel 30 at 6. So 1x over 6 is equal to 3. Now this is x over 6 is equal to 3. Now I will multiply this 6 to the 3. So the answer is 18. So my required number is 18. Okay student, so in this way we have learned that how we can find the number whose 16 and 2 by 3% is 3. Now in this question, what is the length whose 30% is 24 centimeter? So what is the length? Means we have to find that length whose 30% is 24 centimeter. Okay, so whose 30% is 24, there's 100% will be more than 24 centimeter. So let us do this question. Now let the required length be, because we don't know the length, we have to find the length. So I will assume the length. Let the required length be x centimeter. Right? Now according to question, 30% of this length is 24 centimeter. 30% of x is how much? 24 centimeter. So 30% of x centimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. Right? Now 30 over 100 of x centimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we can 30x over 100, we can remove centimeter of x. It means 30x over 100 is equal to 24. Now you see x, this 0 will be cancelled, so 3 over 10 is there. Now 3 over 10x is equal to 24. Now x is equal to 24 multiply 10 and divided by 3. So you see 24 when divided by 3, the answer is 8. 8 multiply 10. So the answer is 80. The value of x is 80. Now the value of x is 80. So mean required length is equal to 80 centimeter. Dear student, you can verify this also. For the verification part, you can find the 30% of 80. Now you see 30% of 80 centimeter is equal to 30 multiply 80 over 100 centimeter. Now 0 cancel. So 3 multiply 8, that is 24 centimeter. You can see here. So we have verified that our answer is right. Now dear student, the question is, what is the volume whose 16 and 2 by 3% is 0.75 liter? So we have to find the volume in this question. So we don't know the volume. So I will assume this volume some variable. So let us take that the required volume be x liter. Right? Now according to question, ATQ mean according to question, 16 and 2 by 3% of this volume is equal to 0.75 liter. So 16 and 2 by 3% of x is equal to 0.75. Right? Now we can convert 16 and 2 by 3, that is a mixed fraction, to the improper fraction. So you see how. 3 multiply 16 plus 2 over 3. So this is 48 plus 2 over 3. It means 50 by 3. So in place of 16 and 2 by 3, we can write 50 over 3. Right? I will write here 50 over 3% of x is equal to 75 over 100. Why, student? Because after decimal there are 2 digits. So I can write it 75 over 100. Now 50% over 3x. It means 50x 3 multiply 100. The value of percentage symbol, that is 100. Now student, you can directly cut the common denominator on the both side. You see there is 100 and there is also 100. So 50 over 300 is equal to 75 over 100. Now these 2 0 will cancel by these 2 0. Now you see that x is there and 75. This is 50 over 3. Now you will have to find x. So by transposing mean you have to make the x single or alone with no coefficient. Means there should be no coefficient or no multiplier or any divisor should be with x. So x is alone there, and by transposing the divisor will become the multiplier. 3 is the divisor. This is now multiplier and this is a multiplier 50. This become now divisor. Okay. Now 75 over 50. 75 over 50 mean both are divisible on the table of 25. Okay. So I write it. If you divide both on the table of 5, then you will get 15 and this is 10. Now you see 15 multiply 3, that is 45 over 10. Now 45 over 10, this is a decimal fraction and I can convert this into 4.5. So the required value of x is 4.5. Now the value of x is 4.5. So the required volume is equal to 4.5 liter. This is my answer. Dear student, if you understand this question and satisfied with this video, then please subscribe our channel and share this video to the other students also. Thank you.